Good afternoon, one and all. Present here myself, A. Priyadashini from second year CSE department. My registration number is 21122 Today's my topic is about COVID-19. So, what is COVID-19? Coronavirus disease 2019, also called COVID-19. It caused by the virus that can be passed from person to person. It first appeared in China, Wuhan in December 2019, and it is quickly spread all around the world. COVID-19 affects your respiratory system. In some cases, it can cause us problem with your lungs like pneumonia. There is a lot of about COVID-19 guidelines and recommendation are changing quickly. Have we learned more about the virus and how it act, trying to keep up with what to do and not to do, and being confusing and overwhelming. So let it break it down. Let's talk about what is going on and what practical step you can take to keep you and those around you safe and healthy. How does COVID-19 spread? The virus is spread through droplet. So when an infected person cough or sneeze, the droplets of the virus out into the air. Those droplets then land on or are breathed by other people. That's the most common way that the virus can spread. Another way it can be spread if when those infected person land on surface like door handles. If the healthy people touch the surface, the droplet on it, and then touch their eyes, nose or mouth, it's possible for them to get sick. These are the gateway for the virus, so the less you touch them, the less chance there is for the virus to enter your body. That's why everyone keeps saying, don't touch your face. If the virus get on your skin, like your hands, you want to wash it off by using soap and water or hand sanitizer before it reaches your eyes, nose or mouth. It may be possible for the person with COVID-19 to pass the virus to others when they aren't showing sign of being sick. This is called asymptomatic transmission. It often takes 2 to 14 days before people start to feel sick after being exposed to the virus, so you could be getting other people sick without knowing it. That's why when there are a lot of cases of COVID-19 in your area, leaders are recommended staying home unless you really need to do something like get groceries. And if you are feeling sick, stay home and call your doctor. And thank you for giving this opportunity, and thank you all